this situation. Just come me, baby. It ain't no time to be wasted. Baby girl, let's go crazy. I just want you naked. She say she ain't never had a nigga like me. I'm amazing. I get to the chick, no Nike, fascinated with blue faces. I just pray to God I make it. I'm so dedicated. Chasing bags, my heart racing.
Man, what's up with the YouTube? It's your boy Lil Josh, and you watching BizzelEntertainment. Y'all know what's going on, man. I'm back again with another video for y'all. I got another car meet over here, so I'm finna get out now and actually show y'all around. I was just finna see what they got out here. So it's not really packed, but I think they do got a good amount of cars out here right now. So we're gonna go ahead and get to that so I can show you guys around, and yeah, stay tuned. We got that turbo, okay. This my kind of meat right here, y'all. The man left his bumper right there, y'all. He just said forget it, he just left his bumper. Let's get to these cars though. So right here we got a BMW. I don't really know the specific kind. Look them right here. The wrap black hood. Hey, they got some nice cars out here though. I mess with it, man. I can't wait till I get my car right. They got some nice cars out here. Look at my, you know, I know this junk loud. They got all type of stuff over here. Hey, look at that. That's an old Honda, ain't it? That's the old joint. Is this the SRT 8 right here? No, I don't think it is. If it was, nah, it ain't. It is forged carbon fiber with red. It's a hard. That's like crazy. Alright, over here we got a Chevy Impala right here. I think that's a CTSV right there. I think. Yeah, 370Z. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can only take a really $3,000.
That carbon fiber though. Hey, this junk hard. I ain't gonna lie. This junk hard. Look at the hood. Yeah, got that mirror over there. Okay. Okay, I see you, super boys. Man, look at the carbon fiber on this side. Yes, sir. And they got the vest that just pulled in over there. I think those are C7s. C7. They got butterfly doors. Hey, these folks, they be trying to look cool out here in front of their car. I don't blame them though, but just look how they be standing by their car. Ooh,
It says 7,000 Goodland Farms Parkway.
boy. Okay, this man, he riding hard over here. Yes, sir. Carbon fiber wheel, yes, sir. Oh. Got another super right here. Ooh, y'all girl coming in, the C8s. I just saw this junk on the highway. It's deep out here though, y'all. Got the Corvette, I don't want to say Corvette, excuse me, the Mustangs right here. I don't know if that's a fake police truck or not.
Afford an engine. Yeah. You don't know.
check them out back there. You see them trying to look cool behind their cars and stuff. Oh, this is GTR? Okay. And there was a mile right past a Mazda. Okay, y'all, this is my bad. It's a Mazda. I just looked right past the Mazda RX-7 and the GTR. I wasn't even paying attention. I'm looking at other stuff. That's some little Mustangs right there. It's an Acura, I believe. Got the Recaro seats on here. I like those rims. Nice. Got the Nissan. I think this is the I forgot the name of this giant, but this is Jonathan Need for Speed. Are you good, man? The Nissan NXT, I think it is. Got a Volkswagen. Okay, beautiful Corvette. Beautiful. Man. Beautiful Corvette. I got the Lexus.
Yeah, they got
matte black. Another Corvette, old school right here. Got the C5, right? C5 Corvette. Here, now I ain't show y'all this row right here. Are you good, bro? I'm gonna show y'all this row. Got the Infinities lined up, 5 of them. Fin-fins, y'all know. If y'all know anything about Memphis, y'all know about them fin-fins. Fin-fins are the craziest drivers in Memphis. Them and Nissan Altimas, and they one of the most stolen vehicles. So if you think about coming to Memphis and think about getting a fin-fin, oh wait, the Grand Cherokee right here, C6 Corvette. We got a C8 right here. Oh yeah. I think I showed y'all these Mustangs right here. Or was it the other ones? It might have been the other ones. I want to say this is a Nissan GTR. I think it is. I think it's an old one. Let me see if we can figure out what this is. It's not really telling me. Yeah, I don't know. This ain't hard though. I like this. It's real customized. Then they got some hot rods behind me. I'm gonna go and show y'all them too. Corvette. Oh my gosh, I call it the Corvette again. Mustang. I like the little lights, like the little clear lights. I like them. Alright. We go on the other row. On bags. Okay, that boy, he rocking some power. Y'all see that right there? He rocking some power.
Then he tried to
Old school.
still go.
Soft top, drop top.
So you already know the whole thing about the drag.
350Z. Look at this. This is nice right here. Look at that. And this is what you call customized right here. That's what you call customized. This is a real project car. It's got so much customization to it. We got another one. It's customized too. I do plan on getting like an older car like this and making it like this perfect. The spoiler probably a little too big for me, but something just like this on some Fast and like the first Fast and Furious. That's what I'm on right now.
probably have it.
Another thing over here.
Los rayos sí quedan blancos y mueven algo alrededor.
Okay, you got the Honda out here looking nice. Now there's a couple more rows over there because folks still coming in. So I'm gonna go and show y'all this side too. Okay, we got an old thing over here. Dang. Everybody surrounded around this car. I see why though. I have to slide over here and show y'all this right quick. Without getting in nobody's way. This is another thing. This is another version of customized. He got his IG right here. I have to go look that up. Yeah, man, it look nice. You can tell he put a lot of time into this car. A lot of time. Look at the interior. Carbon fiber. Yeah, it's nice. New Jersey. He came all the way out here. But no, he just got this car out here. Another 350Z. 350Zs, they not bad cars either. You can really make them just look nice. Got a Hellcat right here that's just getting overlooked. I think this is a sleeper though. Like it look regular, but it got some wheels on it. Who that is? He got some wheels on, so he definitely got. Well, I don't know. It could just be looks, but a lot of people that put wheels on their car, it got some power. Sir, that just sounds good. Let me make sure I don't get ran over. Just by looking at the car, I'm about to say, y'all, I see it. Y'all know what he be doing. That man, that man, wow. That's all I'm gonna say. No hood. Second of all, he ain't got no bumper, so no, he ain't got no license plate. If somebody in Memphis don't got a license plate on their car, they be running. You just know you not catching them. Somebody in Memphis without a license plate, you are not catching them. I don't care what you in, you're not catching them. That's a black force energy right there.
Oh yeah, that's a big mistake.
It's nice.
Got over here.
Yeah, it's nice over there.
These folks be doing racing though. Almost everybody walking past talking about they winning or losing the race. Okay, go wrap over here. You don't fold. Let me get this right quick. Say scam me. Something too. Hard. We got the C8 lineup right here. Got the C8 lineup right there. So it's a lot of cars out here. It's a lot. And they still coming. That's the thing. Like, they not, the meet really just started. I don't know if I showed y'all that right there. I don't remember showing y'all this. I think I came in through the middle. He knew what to do. He understood the assignment right there. If you ride past in the car and you see a camera on you, you gotta rev it. You gotta do something. you know, you can't just ride by all smooth unless your car just sound good, you know, when it's idle like that. I think I slick think I showed y'all everything though. Look, I'm telling y'all, bruh, Black Air Force energy right there. AMG sounding good. Yeah, I spotted it though. I spotted it. Who was that? Oh, this the that Scape that just drove past, the white one. Okay. That's one thing I ain't understand. I never understood why people be having the little black thing on top of their car like that. I don't know if they're just like aesthetic or what. Somebody begging.
You don't need to do nothing, folks.
It's hard right here. Probably do. Look like this all the cars that's coming in. I wish I can get like a good aerial view for y'all. Well, hold on, let me see. Sound like he got a Pro Charge in there or something. Hold on, then let's go see what's under the hood, y'all. I think this the most viewed car right here. Everybody like this, John. You put a lot of stuff into that car. Let me see what's under this hood. Let me see if I was right with the Pro Charge. Let me see. I was right. Y'all see it right there. Look, I told y'all.
Hey, look, I know that guy had a V6.
No, this man has like 8 columns to back the car.
I want that big.
Hey, that John, it sound like he got a cam in there.
In the car.
Definitely asleep.
I don't even know if you want to.
Yeah, I knew it. See, I'm getting accustomed to how stuff sound, y'all. Don't let me get no car and fix it up. But he definitely sound like he got a cam in his. That ain't no real police car, by the way. Okay, Memphis we got a good little community, y'all. They filled up, I say, 2/3 of the parking lot. We still got this side over there. I think that's like we just spectator park. What he got in his car sounding like this? I done heard that sound before, but he got something in there. I think it's boosted, turbocharged or something. He got something in there. I just can't figure out what it is. I ain't seen this one yet. Nice clean Audi. Simple, but it you know what I'm saying. Simple, but it look nice though. It ain't just too crazy. GT500. My bad, y'all. That probably was a GT500 over there. I be getting them mixed up, the GT500 and the GT350. I be getting them mixed up. Oh my God, guys, we got one. Godzilla with the rap too. And we seen the older GTRs over there, but there was a newer one. He's still popping. Listen. Oh my gosh. License plate say Will Run. Oh my God. Oh yeah.
Damn,
Yeah. Memphis, yeah. Hey, he walking this in.
You rock that bitch.
That junk got a pro charge in it.
Pro charge.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna say. I know a lot about cars. What's a pro charge?
Basically like a supercharger.
What?
Basically a super, yeah. Go ahead, show out. My boy just told me this was the fastest car in Memphis at one point in time, and he got beat by a GTR. Appreciate y'all guys for watching. I forgot to make an outro video, so that's why I'm doing it now. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Turn on post notifications and tune in to your boy. It's your boy Lil Josh. You're watching Biz Entertainment, and I'm out, man.